Hi, if you'd like to see how I created this mermaid face painting look, then stay tuned and keep watching, and happy Halloween! So first off, we're going to go in with the face painting crayons in the shades Pearl on here. I'm just going to go directly in onto the face from the crayons, and the colour that I want to use the most is probably the purple and the blue. So we'll start off using the purple colour, so you can just untwist it and then put it on top like this and then go directly in. So first off, we'll start doing the shell design. So you want to draw 5 sort of scalloped shapes to begin with. Like so. So you start off with your 5 shapes and just bring some of it down. We might just go in and shade the purple a little bit. Do some swirl kind of designs around the side of the face. And we'll go in with the darkest colours first and then go back in with the lighter shades. For a design like this where you're doing the same thing on each side, do each of your designs one at a time, so you can try and match it to the side as best as possible. And what's really good about these crayons is you can actually mix it in with foundation or with concealer and make your own sort of shade as well. So if you're doing like a tinted, alien sort of look or anything like that, you can use those to mix in with your foundations as well. So that's the purple we've got going on for the moment. Blend the dark blue colour, the navy blue colour here. This is from the same crayon as well. So this design is going to be predominantly using the face painting crayon and Pearl. And what we're going to do is go in from the purple and blend a little bit down with the blue. Colour here as well, just to add some more colour and depth to each of our designs. that's the design we have currently right now. So before we get finished done using the crayon, we're actually going to use this to do our lip colour, and I might add a bit of colour to our cheeks using this as well. I wanted to go in using my eyeshadow, but I will use a bit of this. I'm just thinking just to draw a bit of detail here. Dab it on my cheeks like this. To the other side. Just bring it up a little bit as well, just for a bit of a flushed look across the nose. And then just go in with your fingers and just warm it up, patting and blending it across. Metallic body pen in blue. Just give it a bit of a shake just to warm it up. You can rub it, go back and forth on your hand to get it going, like so. Using some silver glitter, which is the Face and Body Glitter by Montmartre. So you can go in and use eyelash adhesive glue. Just make sure that you're not allergic to it by doing a wrist test, so putting a little bit on your wrist and making sure that you don't have any reactions to it. If you have reactions to it, then don't use it all. But today I'm going to show you how to use this with a clear lip gloss or with a lip gloss, and then apply it onto the areas that you'd like it to go on. I've got a very old gloss here, and I'm just going to take it on the back of my hand, or you can use it onto a palette, whatever you don't mind working on. Just get the gloss on the back of your hand like so. So you dip your brush directly onto your gloss, just to get a little bit on it, and then onto silver glitter, and then onto the back of the hand where the gloss is. Just acts as an adhesive, and you go in onto your design. Mermaid look is complete without glitter. I'm just using a detailer brush by Montmartre. Careful around your eye area. You don't want to get it in your eyes. So I am avoiding my eyes and just putting it in different spots. Little water droplets. And then lastly, just a little on the lips. Not a heap. There you go, that's the completed look. So you can do this entire look just using the face painting crayons in Pearl. You could go in using the Face and Body palette as well and draw your design directly, but this is a really quick and simple look to do for Halloween.